Hello friends, this is Abhilasha. Thank you for selecting this video. Today my topic is present perfect tense in 3 sentences. First, affirmative sentences, second one is negative sentences, and the third one is interrogative sentences. If you want to speak and you want to make sentences in present perfect tense, you should know about the 3 types of sentences: interrogative, negative and affirmative sentences. We use third form of the verb in this tense. Let's start. First example I have taken lunch. Friends, you should know about what is the subject here. I is a first form. I is a first person. And have, we use have with I. With first person we use have, and we use the third form of the verb. First form is take, second form is took, the third form is taken. We use taken, the third form. I have taken lunch means I have taken my lunch. How to make it negative sentence? Let's see. I, the same person, we use have. To make it negative, we add not. I have not taken lunch. Third form of the verb, taken and lunch. I have not taken lunch. And you can also use the contraction form of the verb. Right? I haven't taken. I haven't taken my lunch. And how to make it interrogative sentence? Have I taken lunch? Have I taken lunch? This is helping verb. And to make it interrogative, we use the helping verb first, then subject, and the third form of the verb, then object. Have I taken lunch? Second example I have, they have gone. They, third person, plural form, plural number. They, we use the have with the plural form. They have gone. They, third person, have gone. Go, first person, first form of the verb. Went, second form of the verb. The third, gone. Go, went, gone. We use with present perfect tense third form of the verb. They have gone. They, second, negative. They have not gone. They haven't gone. They haven't gone. So, to make it negative, we use not. They have not gone. To make it interrogative sentence, we use helping verb first, then subject, then verb, action verb. Have they gone? Have they gone? We are asking someone. Have they gone? Second and third example is that Mona has arrived. Mona. What is subject here, friends? Mona is the third person. It is the name of a girl. Third person, singular number. We use has. With the third person, singular number. Mona has arrived. Third form of the verb, Mona has arrived. To make it negative, Mona hasn't arrived. You can also use has not arrived. Mona has not arrived. How to make it interrogative sentence? Again, the helping verb will come first. Has Mona arrived? We have played. We, first person, Plural number. We use have with the first person plural number. We have played. We have played. To make it negative, we have not played. We haven't played. Have we played? To make it interrogative sentence, have we played? Have we played? Here we are asking question. Have we played? He has gone. Fifth example I have. He has gone. He, the third person singular number. We always use has with the third person singular number. He has gone. He has gone. To make it negative, we use not. He hasn't gone. He hasn't gone. To make it interrogative sentence, if you want to ask someone, has, we use helping verb first, then subject and action verb. Has he gone? So friends, it brings me to the end of the lesson. Today I explained you present perfect tense in 3 sentences. Affirmative sentences, you can also call positive sentences, negative sentences and the interrogative sentences. So I will come up with the new lesson soon. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe it. Don't forget to press the bell icon. I will come soon. Till then, bye.